So what's cooking today? We're cooking today a dish with some leftover mashed potato, a bit of onion, a bit of mustard seed, and some chili. That's about it really, some coriander. So first and foremost, it's a very quick dish. It's amazing to use your leftover. First, a couple of tablespoons of oil. I've got about 3 potatoes, I think those leftovers. So we're just gonna cook that mashed potato with a bit of chili, spice it up with some, got some mustard seed here. So the mustard seed, let that cook out a little bit. It's gonna be a little hot because I'm going to add some chili paste, pre-made, but that's still sizzling up. We want the mustard seeds to get a bit of sizzle. It's already sizzling, so get this. And we're cooking this now on high heat. I'm going to soften the onions on high heat. Doesn't matter if it gets a bit caramelized, no issue with this one. A bit of salt there, back to you. So let that cook out. I've just used red onions because that's what I have. They look pretty with the white potatoes. So let that cook out a bit, and in the meantime, I've got a small, I'd say 2/3 a teaspoon of chili paste that I made, just fresh chilies. And I'll add a little touch, tiny kick to this, in addition to the whole chilies in there. So let that cook out a little. I'm just going to put the lid on, let it cook for a couple of minutes so it steams and softens the onions a bit. So this has been cooking on quite a high. That's just the onions. It's nice and soft. I'm going to add a bit more chili paste because I made it a bit spicy. This one. The spice I'm going to add for this potato is turmeric. And a touch of Garam Masala, some black pepper. And now, add the potato. So whack the heat up quite high now. So this is some Maris Piper potatoes I had for a roast, leftovers. Cook that out, look at that. I'm gonna fry that out now. You see all the flavors of potato. And that's very simple, spicy mash. Add a touch more oil to this. Just so it's just like when you're adding butter. Just loosen it a little bit. A bit more salt. Some coriander there. There you have it. Very simple. There you go. Look, this is very straightforward mashed potato. How easy was that?